Hello friends, welcome in this online session of topic similarity part 4. Friend, in similarity part 3, we have discussed with application of basic proportionality theorem. Those were first application was property of an angle bisector of a triangle. The second was converse of property of an angle bisector of a triangle. Third was property of three parallel lines and their transversals. Also, few problems were discussed on these theorems, properties, but today we will continue with the next content of this topic, that is similar triangles and tests of similarity of a triangle. So, similar triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are in proportion. In other words, similar triangles are the of same shape but not necessarily the same size. For any similar triangles, see the adjoining figure wherein triangle ABC and triangle DEF are shown. The corresponding angles are shown with the identical marks and sides are measurements given. Corresponding angles are congruent in case of similar triangles. Therefore, angle A is congruent with angle D, angle B congruent with angle E, angle C congruent with angle F. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, we can write here from the figure AB upon DE is equal to 10 upon 20, which is half, equation 1. BC upon EF is equal to 6 upon 12, which is equal to half, that is equation 2. And AC upon DF is equal to 7 upon 14, which is half, equation 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3, we will get AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF, since all values are same on the right hand sides. So, in general, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle A is congruent with angle P, angle B is congruent with angle Q, angle C is congruent with angle R, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, then triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangles. In short, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar can be expressed as symbolically triangle ABC similar with triangle PQR. So, what is the difference between congruent and similar triangles? Now, we will see that one. Here are some 6 differences we could find. First column are related with congruent triangles, second is with similar triangles. So, corresponding sides and angles are equal in case of congruent triangles, whereas corresponding angles are congruent and sides are in proportion in case of similar triangles. Here ratio of the corresponding side is 1:1. Here ratio of the sides are may be less than 1, greater than 1 or equal to 1. Two triangles can be superimposed. Here two triangles will not be superimposed. The sign is shown in the slide. Here also sign is shown in the slide. Two triangles are congruent. Their parts are shown with identical marks. Here angles are shown with identical marks since those are congruent, but sides measurement is given. Symbolically, we can write triangle ABC congruent with triangle DEF, and here symbolically triangle PQR similar with triangle P dash, Q dash and R dash. So these distinguished points you must have to be considered properly, prepare them well. Now what are the tests of similarities of triangles? We will discuss that one. So friends, tests of similarity triangles. First test is the test of similar to triangle is side, 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 that is SSS test. All three sides of corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Here from the figure we can write 12 upon 6 is equal to 8 upon 4 is equal to 14 upon 7. That ratio you are getting as 2 by 1 or 2 as to 1. The second test is side angle side test, that is SAS test. Two pair of the corresponding sides are in the same ratio and the included angle is equal. From the figure 22 upon 11 and 10 upon 5, which is equal, the ratio is coming up 2:1. Now third is angle test, or you may say AA test of similarity. All the three corresponding angles are equal. If there are two angles pairs, then those third pair will be naturally comes equal. Therefore, AAA test, or you could say AA test for this one. The corresponding angles are shown congruent or of the same measure. The last test of similarity is right angle hypotenuse side, that is RHS test. The hypotenuse of right angle triangle and another corresponding pair of sides are in the same ratio, then the two triangles are similar with RHS test. So 15 upon 5 and 6 upon 2, that leading to 3:1 ratio sides comes up. So these two triangles will be similar by RHS test. These are the test of similarities that are very useful while solving the problems. Now let us discuss few problems that are based on this content. So this is the first problem. In the adjoining figure, angle ABC is equal to 75, angle ADC is equal to also 75. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. What you have to find? First is name of the similar triangle. You have to tell name of this test of similarity. State the one-to-one correspondence. Let us start with solution. See friends, these two triangles I shall divide into triangles. The given ABC triangle could be divided into two, like ABC the whole with green color and the with brown color EDC. These two triangles we have to show similar. So in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC congruent with angle EDC, each angle is 75 in these two below triangles. The original triangle is divided into two triangles and those two triangles we have to show similar. So the first condition is this one and this angle. Second is angle C is congruent with angle C, shown with the dot mark, identical sign mark. So two angles are congruent, means these two triangles, that is triangle ABC similar with triangle EDC by AA test of similarity. Now what is the correspondence? ABC one-to-one correspondence with EDC. This is the one-to-one correspondence. The three questions asked, three questions answers are shown with highlighted marks. So let us start with the next problem, number 2. That is in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC and this BQ is perpendicular to AC. So BPC and AQC is the betweenness. Then prove that triangle CPA and triangle CQB similar we have to show. Secondly, AP is 7, BQ is 8, BC is 12, then we have to find AC. See, we will extract those two triangles. Let us see how it could be extracted. In triangle CPA and CQB, CPA is congruent with CQB. Each angle is of measure 90, that you can get. Angle C is congruent with angle C, that is the common angle. Therefore, by CPA one-to-one corresponds with CQB. What you can say? That triangle, extracted triangle APC and the triangle with pink color, these two triangles will be similar by A test of similarity. So AC upon BC is equal to AP upon BQ. This is the CSST, that is corresponding side of similar triangle. Therefore, we will substitute the values. AC upon 12 is equal to 7 upon 8. By cross multiplication, we will be getting AC into 8 is equal to 7 into 12, that is AC is equal to 7 into 12 upon 8, which will be you are getting as 84 upon 8. Therefore AC is 10.5 units. So these two triangles, if we extract, that will become easy to prove those two triangles to be similar. Now let us discuss the third problem. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Here in the figure, point E is on side BC. Line DE intersects ray AB in point T. Prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into T. So BE into DE will be CE into T. So let us carry the proof. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, it is given. Therefore side AB is parallel to side CD, opposite sides of this parallelogram. Therefore side AT is parallel to side CD and DT is their transversal. As DT is the transversal, you are getting angle ATD congruent with angle CDT, alternate angles. Also, that is angle BTE is congruent with angle CDE, since ABT and TED is the betweenness. Therefore, now we'll consider triangle with pink color, one, and with green color another. These two triangles we have to be show similar. Let us consider in triangle BTE and triangle CDE. What you can say? Angle BTE congruent with angle CDE from equation 1. At the same time, angle BET congruent with angle CED, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, by BTE, 1-to-1 correspondence with CDE, triangle BTE is similar with triangle CDE by a test of similarity. Therefore, we can write BE upon CE is equal to TE upon DE, that is corresponding side of similar triangle CSST. Thereby cross multiplication, you are getting DE into BE is equal to CE into T, which is you are required to prove that you are going to do that one. Now let us consider the next problem, number 4. In trapezium PQRS, sides PQ is parallel to side SR, AR is 5AP, AS is 5AQ, then you have to prove that SR is equal to 5PQ. So let us try for the proof. Quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium that is given. Side PQ is parallel to SR and QS is the transversal. At that time you are getting angle QSR congruent to angle SQP, that is alternate angles. Therefore angle ASR congruent with angle AQP, QAS betweenness. So in triangle ASR with orange color and triangle AQP, ASR congruent with AQP, angle SAR congruent with QA, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, by ASR, 1-to-1 correspondence with AQP, triangle ASR similar with triangle AQP, a test of similarity. Therefore, by considering the corresponding sides, AS upon AQ is equal to SR upon PQ, corresponding side of similar triangle. But AS is 5AQ, it is given. Therefore, AS upon AQ is equal to 5 upon 1. From 2 and 3, you can write SR upon PQ is equal to 5 upon 1. Therefore, SR will be 5 times PQ. This is what you have to prove. Now, let us consider one more problem on this content. In the adjoining figure, in triangle ABC, point D on side BC such that angle BAC is congruent with angle ADC. You have to prove that CS square is equal to CB into CD. Let us carry the proof. We will divide these triangles into, so in triangle BAC and triangle ADC, angle BAC congruent with angle ADC, it is the given thing, and angle C is congruent with angle C, that is the common angle. Therefore, by BAC 1-to-1 correspondence with ADC, triangle BAC similar with triangle ADC by a test of similarity. Consider the corresponding sides. CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA, that is corresponding side of similar triangle. Cross multiply, CA into CA is equal to CB into CD, that is CA into CA, CA square is equal to CB into CD. That what we have to prove. Friends, what we have been discussed till now in this session. First, what do you mean by similar triangles? That we have saw. Difference between congruent and the similar triangles we have been discussed. Tests of similarity of triangles. 4 tests we have considered, and problem based on the above subtopics. So you have to be revised this at home. Can you try one example for you? In quadrilateral ABCD, side BC is parallel to side AD. diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at point P. If AP is 1/3 of AC, then you have to prove DP is equal to half of BP. So friends, while preparation, one more thing you have to keep it in mind, that mathematics is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of the human spirit. So if you like this video, then please subscribe, share. With these words, I shall thank you and